Hi everyone, this is Yoko. 皆さんこんにちは、Yoko です。Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. Previously, I posted a video how to ask someone's age and how to answer that question. If you haven't watched that video, I will post the link down below. In that video, we learned how to say 1-year-old to 10 years old. Today, let's learn how to say above 10 years old. Let's get right into it. First of all, let's review how to say 1 to 10 in Japanese. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 5, 6, 7 or 7, 8, 9, 10. You can attach the counter sai to a number to say your age. Let's review how to say 1-year-old to 10 years old. 1-year-old, 1歳. 2 years old, 2歳. 3 years old, 3歳. 4 years old, 4歳. 5 years old, 5歳. 6 years old, 6歳. 7 years old, 7歳. 8 years old, 8歳. 9 years old, 9歳. 10 years old, 10歳. Let's pay attention to the number 1, 8, and 10. 1-year-old is not 1歳, but 1歳. 8 years old is not 8歳, but 8歳. 10 years old is not 10歳, but 10歳. To say an age above 10 years old, we're going to follow the same rule. For example, 11 years old is not 11歳, but 11歳. 12 years old is 12歳. 13 years old is 13歳. How about 18 years old? 18歳, not 18歳. How about 20 years old? 20歳. Or you could use a special word for 20 years old, 20歳. Alright, how do we say 28 years old? 28歳. How about 37 years old? 37歳. How about 99 years old? 99歳. And 100 years old, 100歳. Alright, how was it? Thank you for watching and see you next time. それではまた次回お会いいたしましょう。さようなら。